A cottage garden of lilacs, roses, and jasmine leads to a sea glass green front door. Inside is a lovely Lazio floor plan with a soothing coastal grey palette accented by Thibaut draperies. 10-foot ceilings and crown molding adorns many rooms. Windows have easy-to-close accordion shutters. Both secondary baths are ensuite with granite counters and marble listello detail. A large den has pocket doors for privacy. Levelor window shades offer privacy and a lovely translucence. A Quoizel ribbon chandelier adds sculptural lighting for dining, and large porthole pendants in brushed zinc crown the massive 10-foot quartz kitchen island with undercabinet storage. 42-inch cabinets offer more, as does a large pantry. GE Cafe appliances, gas cooktop with hood, French door refrigerator, micro-convection and oven with convection. Primary bedroom has car wash shower leading to enormous master closet room with custom shelving. Extended lanai overlooks a backyard with no houses behind and wide lakeview.